A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rentals. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
All right, today is August 7th, 2022, and we're at my Fidelity Net Benefits login screen, and we about to see what it do. It is secret code time. That means I got to get the secret code. All right, the secret code worked. And I want you guys to know that I am here to put money in your pockets. And at the end of this video, I will show you step by step how to do it. But right now, like always, I got a favor to ask. Small favor, easy favor. Did you know if you hit that subscribe, like, and share button on this video, it helps me to keep helping you. Everything I do is for free, and I would really appreciate it if you hit those buttons right now. Now, I'm about to do some clicking because we're going into this GM401k. The balance is $81,897.70. This is as of Friday, August 5th. Rate of return, how much have I made or lost so far this year? I am down 19.89%. And a lot of you probably are saying, percentage, I want the numbers. So to get the numbers, all we got to do is scroll down to the bottom. And I am not proud to say that I am down $19,551.20. This is how the stock market works. This is how your 401k works. Every day, month, year would not be good. So far in 2022, I am negative. Let's go up to the top. What I'm doing is called keeping it real. I tell you the good and the bad. Let's click on investments. And we always click on this tab, cumulative returns. This is the column we like to look at, YTD, year to date. And I have a good one and I have a bad one. My good one is positive. And the fund I'm in is the conservative income fund. Let's open it. And when you open the funds, it tells you what you're invested in and what it's doing. So right here it's telling me about the top 10 holdings, and everything in this portfolio are bonds. And since there are no stocks, that's why I'm positive. If you are in stocks, you're probably losing. Let's close this out. I'm going to do a sale. And what I want to sell is this BlackRock US Debt Index. I don't have that much money in it. I have almost $560, but I'm going to put everything that's here up there. So if you don't know how to buy and sell within your 401k, you're about to learn. So let's go up to the top. I'm going to click on change investments. And we want to change a current investment. I want to go to A to B. And you're going to click on start. It's asking me what to sell. And we are selling the BlackRock US Debt Index. So click here. Click here for discretionary. You got to do this. If you don't do this, it's not going to go through. So you got to do that. Amount to sell. I can do percentage or dollar amount. I'm going to do percentage. I want to sell everything, so I'm going to put in 100. And we hit continue. Now it's asking me, what do I want to buy? And let's find, what do I want? I want to go right here to the Conservative Income Fund. Continue. So here's a summary. I'm selling the BlackRock US Debt Index, and I'm buying the Conservative Income Fund. And nothing is done until I hit right here, submit this exchange. Your exchange has been submitted. I have a confirmation number right here. I am all done. What was that? Like, what, 4 or 5 clicks with the mouse? That stuff is easy. Buying and selling in your 401k is super easy. But let's do summary, because we want to talk about where I am now to where I was 2 weeks ago. Actually, a little over 2 weeks ago. All right, so we're comparing this number right here to our last update. So we're at stocks and rentals, and we want to find the last GM 401k update. And it was on July 20th. I had $81,257.01. Bringing it back to Friday, the difference is positive $640.69. That's a good chunk of money to make in a little over 2 weeks. This is something that you guys can do. I encourage you guys to do it. My belief, if you see somebody doing it, you will believe that you can do it. And by me showing you, you know I got your back. I'm going to hold your hand and show you how it's done. So how can you get almost $82,000 in your 401k? It is super easy. You got to start with something, and you got to start with at least $1 coming out of your check, going into your 401k, and then you're going to take that money and put it into your investments, and you just keep doing that every pay period, and you will get your money up. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description that's going to take you right here. Start here to learn about your 401k. So there are 10 steps, and let me fly through the steps real quick so you would know exactly what they are and what you're going to do. Step number 1, you have to figure out what type of investor you are. Only you can figure that out. I can't tell you if you're conservative or aggressive. I never met you. But if you click right here, I have a couple of articles that you can read, and it's super easy, and you will know which type you are. You got to know that before you do anything. Number 2, I got some terms right here. These are the terms that I knew to get that $81,000. There's not a lot of stuff here. And remember, you don't have to memorize the stuff. You can always come right back here and refresh your memory. 3, once you figure out what type of investor you are, you're going to have a whole bunch of choices. And I show you how to group those choices into conservative, balanced, and aggressive. So once you know which one of the 3 you are, I'm going to show you what to look at so you can invest in them. Number 4, I tell you the definition of cumulative total returns and how to use it. Number 5, there are fees associated with almost every fund within your 401k. I show you where the fees are because they love to hide them, and you don't want to pick anything with high fees. 6, I talk about what the average annual total return is. 7, I open up a 401k fund. When you open those funds up, it's a whole bunch of stuff to read. You're going to feel like you're scrolling and scrolling and scrolling, but the majority of that stuff you don't have to worry about. I'm going to show you all the important things you need to concentrate on. 8, I show you step by step how to contribute the money from your paycheck into your 401k. Number 9, once you get it into your 401k, I show you how to choose the investments, how to get the money from your 401k into whatever you want to invest in. And number 10, I show you how to sell and buy investments. I just did that in this video, so you already got a sneak peek of number 10. Let's close this out. You know how I like to do it. Scrolling up to the top, I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. Why would I try to get money from you? That makes no sense. Anybody trying to get money from you on YouTube, Instagram, any social media, and they're telling you that they are a guru, that I got degrees in this stuff, something is not right. They should go harder in their stocks, in their rentals, because guess what? You're the new guy. All this stuff is new for you. You're trying to take step number 1 and step number 2 when somebody like me or somebody like them, we done walked a whole bunch of miles. So trust and believe, you're at the right place, stocks and rentals. I don't want your money because I got my own. I'm here to help you. I'm out. Raymond. Peace.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn